Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to work with Squarespace. To begin, you will select a template from the hundreds of options available, which are designed for various purposes like portfolios, online stores, and blogs. Squarespace provides an intuitive interface, allowing you to quickly add pages and content blocks. This platform simplifies the initial setup, making it accessible for everyone to start their online presence without needing extensive technical knowledge. Once your template is chosen, the design phase truly begins. You can use the visual editor to drag and drop various content blocks, such as text, images, and galleries, onto your pages. Squarespace allows for extensive customization of fonts, colors, and section layouts to perfectly align with your brand's aesthetic. This flexibility ensures your website looks unique and professional, reflecting your vision accurately. Squarespace is also a powerful platform for e-commerce. You can easily set up an online store, adding products with multiple variants and managing inventory. The platform provides tools for processing orders, handling shipping, and tracking customer data. Furthermore, built-in search engine optimization features and integrations with social media help you promote your site and reach a wider audience effectively. When your site is ready, connecting a custom domain name is straightforward, giving your website a professional and memorable address. Squarespace offers comprehensive customer support available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to assist with any questions or issues. Remember to regularly update your content and monitor your site's performance to ensure it remains engaging and effective for your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.